Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Jenyolon MP-5 electric gel blaster. The specs say it has high speed shooting and it's a very comprehensive set with 30,000 bullets. Absolutely crazy. By the way, the bullets used are 6 to 7 millimeters. You have to be aware of that. Sometimes there are different sizes. So I'm going to take it out of the box, will fully assemble, charge it, and then go outside to have some action and show you how this thing really works. So let's open the box and see what we get. I would say really nice gun here. It's a beautiful one, makes a good impression, pretty solid. Comes also with 2 ammunition containers, safety glasses, very important, and then a rechargeable battery and a strainer and funnel. This can be also very helpful while you are creating the ammunition. I'm going to show you that also. And here a lot of raw ammunition which we can use in the water and then it will expand, and here the USB charger. In general, we can say it's a very good idea to have these small pockets or containers of ammunition. I love this thing because you don't have to keep them open the whole time. You have a lot of spare ones and they don't get wet. There's nothing going to happen. But just one hint from my side, don't just pull here because it's pretty strong here in the middle and then it can open in a sudden and create a huge mess. It's much better when you just cut it here in the middle and then only open it on top of a large container, something like that. And then we add some water about just the size of this ammunition container. And then after that we wait for a couple of hours till they have inflated, soaked up water to be ready to be used. And then of course we need to charge the battery pack. We can do that with every USB-A port, and most of these gel blaster guns have very similar charging option. I wished it would be standard USB, but I'm not complaining. Most of them are using something like that. So let's try to charge the batteries now. We can do that on any power bank. And yeah, the problem is I had this already a couple of times. When we plug it in like that, it's just blinking green, which means I think that it's fully charged. That's not good. So what I did last time, I disconnected this first, tried a couple of times. I don't know if there's a problem with the electronics here. So now we have the steady green. I think that looks better than the blinking green. So let's connect this again. So here we are and it goes into red, which I think is charging. And then we are waiting for green. It's a little bit weird, but maybe we'll get used to that after some time, or it will resolve on its own. Maybe it was just a very low charge or so. I've tested already the glasses. Glasses are really good. I mean, they are, as they are, usually very lightweight, but yeah, these are very nice glasses. I would say they protect really good and they are very large. So if you're looking for very large glasses, these are one of the largest, most comfortable glasses I've ever seen in such a set. Really nice. And so while we are charging, we can try to grab some of the ammunition here. Okay, so what we do, we use the funnel here. So I hope I don't cause a mess. So you can see the bolts have been expanding quite well. Of course, it's much better to do that in the kitchen, but I'm trying here if I can do that also here. Okay, so we have a couple of them here. Now let's try to move over to the second one here, and if we are lucky we can fill them in here. That's not too bad, something like that. Yeah, we'll find out how it works the easiest way. The good thing is when they go like somewhere and you can't find them anymore, there's no problem. I mean, they will dry and then shrink to the original size, and it's more like a dust, and you don't have to worry, nothing will happen. So we can repeat this thing or do that with a larger container till we have everything. And of course the question is then how easy it is to mount the ammunition here. Yeah, we have this lock here, we have also this arrow. You have to follow the arrow, and the best is to push this lock here, and so we can even remove this easily. This is one of the best solutions which I've ever seen. Of course we have to align these holes here. And the good thing is that this thread not only supports this specifically nice well-made containers, but also standard water bottles which you can buy normally in the supermarket. And so we have now the ammunition, and we have the green blinking light after having the red light, so I guess it's fully charged. Took quite a while, can't remember how long, but I would say maybe 2 hours, close to 2 hours. So let's see how easy it is to insert the batteries. And so to open the battery compartment, we have to pull or push this thing down. You can see there's a lock here, so we have to pull this down, push it down, and then we can open and probably can grab this cable here. Looks a little bit weird with this loop here. So I come a little bit closer, maybe you can see that better. So we have to align that. Yeah, one of these pins is even bent somehow. That's not so good. So maybe we can push it a little bit down to align them, and now I think it should be like that. So let's push it in. Okay, so now the question is then how can we store it and not bend the cables too much, not break anything. And yeah, there's no exception here, it's pretty tight, so you just push it in, and you can see it's a little bit hard to do that. I wish there would be a little bit more space. Maybe let's try with the battery first, and after that we go with this stuff here. Yeah, I think that's much easier. That's the way to go. The only problem is then how to grab it. Yeah, I think we can still grab it after that. So, but it's not super easy. I wish some manufacturer would come with some easier solution. So we have to push everything really down to make this area clean, and now we can close it, and it's fully closed. The question is then how to activate. There's a push button here. I think when we push it inside, then it's on. When we push again, it's coming out, and then it's probably off. Let's try. Yeah, it's off. Push it inside, and okay, that works. It's a little bit loud. Yeah, one of the loudest gel blaster guns for sure. No question about that, but it's not too crazy. So, and how to insert? Of course, we have to insert it from below. Also, when you want to remove that, put it upside down, and then we should be able to screw the thing in. It's a little bit tricky, maybe like that. And now let's turn it around, and we have it ready. So let's go outside and have a little bit of action. So I've been using this gel blaster now outside for a while, and I've been really impressed by the high speed of the bullets and the high precision of the shooting. Probably the fastest and most precise gel blaster which I've ever seen. Of course, it doesn't come with a lot of accessories. We don't have a laser pointer, we don't have a retractable stock or so, but as far as I can see, everything works really good, really solid. Of course, when you want to shoot, like hold this thing longer, and then sometimes it gets stuck, but this is the same with all of them. You just shake a little bit and then you can continue. Also, single shots are really easy to do, and multiple also really easy to distinguish. And I've also never lost any bullets or so. This happened with some other models. Here absolutely not. You can see you cannot even shake out one of them. That's also really important. And we get a lot of bullets. Everything works. And I love this set here to create and retrieve the bullets. So I'm really happy with it, and I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.